Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, a small sporty looking crossover, the all new Volkswagen Taigo. The Volkswagen Taigo is a subcompact crossover SUV with a sloping roofline manufactured by the German automaker Volkswagen. It is positioned alongside the T-Cross in the European market. The full review of this model is available soon on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future uploads. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this Volkswagen Taigo and do you prefer it over T-Cross. As always, thank you so much for watching and wish you all a very nice day.